Okay, so let's take a look at how you can track the subscription or memberships within Notion. So let's say you have subscription to Netflix, Prime, and other. So in order to log those subscriptions, you can use Notion. So let's create a page, then choose table as database. Then you have new data source. Here you can see subscription tracker, right? So here let's say subscription name, and then we have tags. We can remove that, so delete property. So here I will add the date on which I am going to pay for that, right? So subscription name, date, then amount, right? So here we have amount, and then let's move on to type, right? So it could be monthly, etc. So it should be text, or if you want, let's say we pick status or select, right? So we select the select option for type. Here we choose monthly or yearly, or let's say if you are running trial or something, or paper or view or rent type of system, you can add that, and others just in case, right? So we have like type, amount, date, then we have text. I will remove that, right? So here finally I will use notes, right? So let's say I am paying for Netflix on every 6th of the month. Amount is, let's say, 19.99 USD. Type monthly, notes, monthly sub, right? Like this you can list down all the expenses for your subscription or membership. So like this you can extend this tracker, add colors based on their priority and how much they consume in terms of amount. So this is a template for you to go with for subscription and membership tracker.